It took me a couple of days to actually build this game, and I thought it would be easy, but it wasn't. But I finally made it, so let's see how it works. The idea is that you are going to see a picture and you have to guess the character's name. And when you guess the name, is if it's correct, it's going to appear on the picture. I mean, on the image. So let's try this. I'm going to say Uta, and it's not really visible like the text, but like it's there. And you don't have to say like the full name. You can say like the last name or the first name, and it's still gonna show you the full name. And I'm gonna say Ken, and you are gonna see the whole like the full name, Ken Connicky. And I'm gonna try one more thing. Sorry. And yeah, that's just basically it. And I built this with pandas and like getting the whole data from this file and using pandas to read and get the data, and the turtle obviously to run this game. And that's just basically it for this project.